Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel, and I have opinions from a number of chart analysts about the direction XRP's going to be going in terms of price here. You've got an analyst from News BTC who willfully, at this point, is conflating Ripple, the company, with XRP, the decentralized cryptocurrency, but he says that the data suggests that there's going to be a breakout to 75 cents. Well, why stop there? You've even got Cointelegraph calling for potentially 78 cents in the very short term here. And so you got to be wondering if this is all accurate, if these chart analysts are indeed correct, and so far they pretty well have been. Where's it even going to stop? Like, when are we finally going to get a retracement? Because look, it's going to happen at some point, and that's okay. It's okay to be aware of this. Like, there's a reason I want to talk about this, because it's easy to get shaken out when something like that happens. Especially, like, what if we're way, way, way up, and what if there is a 30 or 40% pullback? You know, which would be normal for crypto, by the way. And I'm just sharing with you. I have the strongest hands that there are, because I will either ride this bitch to zero or I will ride it to a fortune. And I am Mr. Patient here. Now, to be clear, I don't have a financial background. I'm not offering financial advice. And so you absolutely should not buy or sell anything because of anything I say or write. I just think it's fun to talk about this stuff and make YouTube videos purely as a hobby. I have a blast doing this, and I love talking to all of you. It is indeed a killer time as far as I'm concerned here. And since I have my own skin in the game, so to speak, because I have invested a fair bit into XRP, and I've endured the bear market along with you guys for years, we deserve to continually have a celebration, right? A little bit of celebration time. Especially since, isn't it sweet knowing how the Bitcoin maxi troll said that this would never happen ever again, which was pure idiocy. You know, it's complete nonsense. Here we are. If you would please ever so delicately tap that like button, I would definitely appreciate the support. And if you are a fan of Ripple and XRP, well, gosh darn it, I think you might just be the coolest person on the entire damn planet. Now, that was a really nice compliment I just gave you, isn't it? That's pretty nice of me. Why don't you return the favor by subscribing to the Moon Lambo channel? It don't cost nothing, son. Now, here's a tweet from XRP Crypto Wolf, and I enjoyed this. XRP Crypto Wolf wrote the following. I feel bad for anybody who's been trying to short XRP since 25 cents, especially when it's taking off like this. You can't short the standard when it's getting ready to go parabolic. It's called XRP the Standard for an effing reason, and so I'm censoring right there for the children that are in the background. I know the children's are out there, so I'm just being a little bit careful there. All right, and then here's a tweet from XRP Researcher. XRP used to be 4 for $1. XRP used to be 3 for $1. XRP is now 2 for $1, and actually it's less than that at the time I'm recording this. And so here, what were you waiting for? And eventually, that's why, like, I fully believe that at some point, XRP will regularly be trading in the realm of dollars, not pennies or tens of cents or along those lines. Eventually, we will get there. Not there yet, but I personally believe that it's coming. And fine, if I'm wrong, maybe I lose everything, but I don't think I'm wrong. We'll see here. XRP, as I record this, at 60.3 cents, Bitcoin at $18,436, market cap for the asset class $565 billion, and Bitcoin dominance sliding on down, and I don't mind seeing that. Bitcoin dominance at 60.53%. Now, here's a chart analyst named words are hard for Moon Lambo, named Lenny, at Trader Lenny on Twitter. Tells his 27,600 followers the following. XRP BTC. The XRP army is actually about to do it. After 2 extraordinarily green weeks, they're now only down 86% from the old 2017 high. This just goes to show you that anything is possible if you put your mind to it. And you might be thinking, wait a minute, XRP went to almost $4. What do you mean, almost there? Well, he said 2017. The actual all-time high happened on January 4th, 2018, and it was $3.84, according to CoinMarketCap. So, huge fireworks just in those several first days of 2018. But still, you know, the last couple weeks of December, holy freaking hell, it was just, XRP was just a straight-up rocket ship at that point. Here's a tweet from DIY Investing. And I like this. Just the idea of market cycles. Like, I love sharing this concept, especially for people that are new to the space. It so makes all the sense in the world just to take a little bit of time to understand this. Here's what chart analyst DIY Investing stated. Bitcoin long-term trend analysis with 4-year cycle theory. 4-year cycles are measured from peak low to peak low. Completion of this cycle comes early 2023. Historically, we get 1-year bear markets, which means a cycle top winter 2021, beginning of 2022. Who's ready? And feel free to take a look at the chart on the screen here. And so think about this, though. If he's indeed right, and you're not going to see the peak of this market cycle for another few years, and we're seeing this price action for XRP, my friends, it doesn't take a wizard to see what the potential may perhaps be here. And it's not crazy. To all the people who think, oh my gosh, but market cap too big if XRP price so and so and so forth. No, it doesn't matter, because market cap, understand, it's just the current market rate times the circulating supply. That's how the people in the world of crypto are calculating this damn thing. And so it doesn't mean, whatever the market cap is, nowhere near that much money actually flowed into the space. And it's like people get tripped up on this. It's just humans on exchanges deciding what they're willing to buy and sell XRP for. It's simple supply and demand. And it's so funny to me, to all the people that had said for years now that the reason XRP price was suppressed, which is garbage, is because of Ripple selling the XRP. Well, first of all, they're not selling nearly enough, just a fraction of volume. But they haven't changed their buying or selling habits, buying or selling habits with XRP for some time. Yet, what's the price of XRP? It's over 60 cents today. And so that's why I'd always made the point. If XRP price is low, it's just a function of supply and demand. And these people just, it's because it's narrative driven with the Bitcoin maxi types. And those are the people that say it. People in the XRP community, I think, by and large, got that. Because otherwise, when Ripple was selling XRP in late 2017, early 2018, how the hell is it that with Ripple doing that, XRP went from 20-something cents to almost $4? Duh! Because there was sufficient supply and demand. That's what matters. It's seriously not rocket science. Now here's a headline from you today. XRP goes ballistic, reaching highest level since November 2018. This was kind of a fun piece here. I don't want to really read much of this, but I liked at least, there was one sentence, if I could just find it real quick, I'd love to share it with you. Here we go. Small steps. The fact that Bitcoin remains flat, while XRP and several other top altcoins are going absolutely ballistic, certainly does not sit well with maximalists. Yes. Drinking all up on their salty flavored haterade. My gosh, I tell you, the tears of Bitcoin maxi trolls just taste so good. And the piece continues. While the XRP army is already busy, I told you soing Bitcoiners, I love that, most of its members have a long road before seeing profits again. And I don't know to what degree that's true. There was Masari, and I find they stated that there was a ton of people that had an average buy at like $1.38. Okay, well, super duper, but when people say stuff like that, what I find, especially from the likes of Masari, it's because they do not like Ripple, they do not like XRP, because, what happened over the last 12 years? There's all sorts of people that were, like, it's depending on what time we're talking about here, time frame, all sorts of Bitcoin holders that have been massively down. There were times when the majority of Bitcoin holders were massively down. So, so what's your point? Just cherry picking a data point so that you can say, XRP bad. All right, well, that's rather unsophisticated, but thank you for nothing, I guess. And here's a headline from News BTC. Charted XRP weekly chart suggests massive breakout to 75 cents. And this is written by a name, I'm not good with foreign names, my sincere apologies, Ayush Jindal. I don't know, maybe I got it, but probably not. And here you go. XRP price rallies 40%. In the past few days, there was a sharp increase in XRP price above the 30-cent resistance zone. The price gained pace after there was a proper close above 30 cents and the 100-week simple moving average. Yeah, no kidding. If you go down here, here's what they're calling for. Yeah, the current weekly candle seems positive, and it seems like there are chances of more upsides above 50 cents and the 50.8 cent swing high. And this was a little bit earlier in the day, obviously, we've since blown past 60 cents, got it. But anyway, he writes, the next target for the bulls could be the 60-cent level. Again, already hit that. Any further gains could open the doors for a rally towards the 75-cent level. So who knows? By the time you're listening to this, maybe 75's already hit. So future person, please let me know. I want to know now. I don't want to wait. And then they go on to cite that, there's only a limited opportunity for dips in XRP in the short term. And this is coming from newsbtc.com. You know this pains the authors here. It's like a requirement to work there that you despise XRP and that you intentionally conflate Ripple and XRP. That's a requirement. So I'm telling you, man, it's just I know, like, internally they must be screaming. I don't doubt it, man. Now into this piece from Cointelegraph. Let me just jump down a little bit. Almost there. There we go. XRP seems to be in an urgency to make up for the underperforming during the current crypto bull run. After the doji candlestick on November 22nd, the bulls have asserted their dominance today and have pushed the price above the 50-cent resistance. There is a minor resistance at 60 cents, but if the bulls can drive the price above it, the XRP/USD pair could rally to 78 cents. Tell you what, my friends, I know what I hate, and I don't hate that. That is fantastic. While overbought levels on the RSI is a bullish sign during the early stages of an uptrend, a reading above 90 suggests panic buying. Usually such periods of frenzied buying are followed by a sharp correction or a consolidation. A break below the intraday low of November 22nd at 40 cents could intensify selling and signal an end to the bullish momentum. Well, look, again, to be clear, there will at some point be a stop. There will be a notable pullback. And, okay, I'm just please be aware of market cycles. It doesn't mean that the sky is falling, that XRP is going to zero or some such nonsense. It's just people emotionally buying and selling. You know, I want them to do this because that means that there's volatility, right? It's good. I know it's like lemmings off a cliff sometimes because it's either, FOMOing, panic selling, and I just like. It's so silly, which is why I don't participate. I choose not to. I did not let emotion determine my buying and selling decisions. I just dollar cost averaged in for 3 years, along with just a couple months ago some rather large purchases, which I publicly shared on the channel here. And my bags are packed. My bags are well packed here. And so who knows, man? Like there will be, and it's going to be okay, guys, when it happens. And then the Bitcoin maxi trolls, they'll come back out and start making their little sounds. Because that's exactly what they sound like to me. When they're talking, it's just like, I'm like, go away, Bitcoin maxi troll. And fine, let them do it. Let them do it. But at some point, XRP will just start rallying again, and then you can just throw it in their face again. Freaking idiot sticks. I'm just saying, man. All right, that's it for this video, though. I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo.